In this video, you'll learn how to fix facial verification problems on Binance. This guide will help you navigate the necessary steps to successfully complete your verification process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click this button to proceed to the login page, enter your account credentials, and click login to, if prompted, complete any additional security checks, such as two-factor authentication, to ensure your account is secure. After logging in, look for the profile icon, typically located at the top right of the page. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Identity Verification to access your verification settings. In this section, you will find the option to retry facial verification. Click on this option to restart the verification process. It is crucial to ensure you are in a well-lit area and that your camera is clear. Before proceeding, remember to remove any glasses or head coverings that could obstruct your face. Next, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The interface will guide you through the necessary steps for capturing your facial image. Make sure to maintain a steady camera position. Avoid any shadows or glare on your face, as these can hinder the verification process. Ensure that your entire face fits within the camera frame. When prompted, follow any movement instructions slowly and naturally, avoiding any filters or enhancements that could affect the verification results. If you still encounter issues after attempting the verification again, it may be necessary to contact Binance support for further assistance. To do this, navigate to the Binance Help Center. Look for the option to submit a support ticket. When filling out the ticket, attach any required documents if prompted. Clearly describe the issue you are experiencing with the facial verification process. It is important to monitor your email for any updates regarding your support ticket. Avoid making multiple retry attempts, as this may lead to your verification being locked. Follow any instructions provided by the support team carefully to resolve your verification problems. Once you have submitted your ticket and followed the necessary steps, you will be on your way to successfully completing your facial verification on Binance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.